Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So done this one many times before. Price point, maybe if you're looking thinking, wow, how is it so much higher in price? The company did a reverse split. So the chart's still the same. You know, everything moves proportionately, but the price per share is different, but all the patterns and such are still the same. So that's why the price is higher. But nonetheless, want to get things updated here. And yeah, the downtrend continues. So from a very basic way to look at the chart, as far as, are the bulls coming back? Is the chart showing any signs of bullishness? There really shouldn't be any talk about anything like that until a key thing is, accomplished. And what is this thing? Well, it's all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you know that when the price is below the 50-period simple moving average, things are bearish. And ever since the price dropped below it there, you can see multiple times price try to get above it, rejected. Here it got somewhat in the vicinity, but rejected. So the point here being, until the price can not only get above that purple line, but start to maintain above it, then yeah, I'd tread very carefully using any sort of words or connotations that imply bullishness, because yeah, the price has made some nice short-term moves right here, but any sort of true bullishness, not at all. As the price has rolled back over. Here, sure, it made a nice move right there, but rolled back over. So that's really the very black and white way to measure. Are the bulls back? Is the chart showing any signs of strength? Just keep an eye on the price relative to that purple line. Now, to be fair, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see right here, I bring that up. The last 30 minutes, good solid volume, and then you got a little interesting candle right here. Now, does this mean that this thing's headed up to $4.50 tomorrow? I'm not saying that, but definitely an interesting way to end the day. So, the question kind of becomes, is this the start of anything bigger? Well, if it is the start of anything bigger, the first thing that's going to be done is, well, the price is going to at least start to trend upwards, right? The price is not going to crash through that line, because that by definition would be kind of a contradiction. I mean, how could anything bullish be starting if the price is crashing through trend lines? I'm assuming I state the obvious there. The other point to keep an eye on is going to be right up there around the $2.70 mark. You can see, well, maybe not yet, but there we go. Now, hopefully you can see that multiple times throughout the day. The bulls did try to push up through that 270 mark, but couldn't quite do it. So that'll be the initial area of resistance. And of course, as we've already discussed, the purple line will be the next key level. So just a downtrend, yes, but today, especially the final 30 minutes, presents an interesting setup. Whether or not that is a leading indicator of anything remains to be seen, but at least worth keeping an eye on. So we'll see how the price unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.